COVID-19 vaccination program makes good progress and most people in the target groups had received their first dose of the vaccine. The medical staff said that the government would accelerate the rollout of vaccinations in an attempt to keep COVID-19 in check amid the recent spike in infections. Health workers are visiting 7 ministries in Vientiane starting from Monday to administer COVID-19 vaccines, hoping to immunize about 7,000 people. They include civil servants, officials, soldiers, police, officers, and teachers. The government plans to vaccinate at least 150,000 people in the initial stage of the program. The program was making good progress and most people in the target groups had received their first dose of the vaccine. It is recorded that more than 200 people had their first vaccination on Friday, and an average about 3,000 people are being vaccinated around the country each day. Many more people went to vaccination centers last week following the surge in new COVID-19 cases. A member of the National Task Force for COVID-19 Prevention and Control said the government would assist business operators or individuals who wish to purchase vaccines for their employees or other target groups. The Prime Minister said the government is aiming to inoculate at least 22% of the population, or about 1.6 million people, by the end of this year. As of April 23rd, more than 140,000 people had received their first dose of the vaccine, and almost 57,215 people had their second jab, according to the National Task Force for COVID-19 Prevention and Control. People have been attending vaccination centers set up around the country since the program was launched in March. The task force said the vaccines were safe and there have been no reports of serious side effects following injections. Everyone is urged to remain vigilant and to strictly observe virus prevention and control measures, whether or not they have been vaccinated. The vaccination programs have been expanded to cover more target groups in addition to health workers, and some people have now had both doses of the vaccine.